Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crunchiest, juiciest, most delicious KFC style fried chicken right in your own home. If you have ever wondered how KFC gets that crispy coating, those crunchy flakes and that juicy inside, this video will break down every step for you slowly, clearly, and with all the little details you need to get it perfect on the first try. So relax, take your time, and follow along as we turn simple chicken pieces into golden crispy goodness. So let's begin. So the first step is to clean your chicken pieces very well. I'm using drumsticks for this recipe. Feel free to use any part of the chicken of your choice, okay? I'll place it in a clean bowl, add a little lemon or lime, add water and wash properly for about 2 to 3 times to get rid of any smell. Whilst that is done, we go ahead and season our chicken. So for seasoning, I'm going to be using yaji or sear spice, aroma shrimp seasoning, aromat allspice blend, aromat chicken seasoning, and aromat bouillon tablets. This is not too much. Kindly adjust your taste, okay? Moving forward, I'll go in with a little bit of ketchup and also a little bit of dark soy sauce. Next, I'll go in with some lemon juice, massage all the seasonings to the meat or the chicken very well, and from there we're going to cover it, then place it in the refrigerator to marinate for about 30 to 1 hour, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. So whilst our chicken is marinating, let's go ahead and add some flour into a mixing bowl. This is all-purpose flour or soft flour. We're going to season the flour, so I'll add some aromat allspice blend. Next, I'll go in with aromat chicken seasoning and also aromat shrimp seasoning. Don't forget as well to add in some yaji or soya spice. It's very important. Lastly, we're going to add some salt to taste. Stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well combined. For this recipe, you can also crack in eggs, milk, mix everything together and coat your chicken with it. But we're keeping it simple today, so we don't need that, okay? Now let's start coating the chicken. This part deserves full attention because it is the secret to that famous KFC texture. I'll take one piece of seasoned chicken. I will dip it into the flour just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Allow it to coat the chicken very well. After that, dip it into the cold water. It's very necessary to use cold water, okay? After dipping it into the cold water, we're going to leave it in the cold water for about 1 minute or 30 seconds, and we're going to bring it back into the flour for a second coat. The second flour coating is where the magic happens. We're going to use both hands to squeeze and massage flour into the chicken. Pinch the chicken gently between your fingers to encourage flakes to form, and that will be perfect, trust me. Also make sure to shake any excess flour from the chicken. It's very important. The coating should look like thick, rough, and more flaky, exactly like KFC, and just the way you see it on your screens right now. Repeat the process for every piece of chicken and make sure to shake excess flour afterwards, trust me. By the time you finish, your chicken should look beautifully coated with a rough, uneven surface, and that is what we're looking for. Now repeat the same process as I said until all is nice and ready. While that is going on, let me still use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. All right, so now we're going to place our oil on fire and heat it to medium, not too hot. If the oil is too hot, the chicken would burn outside and stay raw inside. So medium heat allows slow cooking, which gives you a crunchy outside and juicy inside. I will gently place the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Give each piece space to fry properly. You will notice the coating start to bubble. This is a good sign. Allow the chicken to fry slowly. Also turn each piece every few minutes so it cooks evenly on all sides. The chicken will begin to turn golden brown as it cooks. The bubbles in the oil reduce. This tells you the chicken is almost done. Trust me, this recipe was very easy to put together, and the outcome and the taste was so lovely. Everybody enjoyed it. I hope you're going to give it a try, and I'll be very glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Now our first batch is ready, so we're going to remove it from the oil and repeat the frying process with the second batch. As you can see, it turned out so good and perfect without eggs and milk coating. Very simple, and you're going to love the outcome, as I said. Now let's fry the second batch, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. And that's how you make real KFC style fried chicken at home. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, well seasoned, and absolutely irresistible. If you follow each step carefully, especially the coating technique, you will get perfect results every single time. And also, you should hear that crispy sound when you tap the chicken lightly. That's how you know the coating is perfect. Did you hear that? Yes, the outside looks absolutely crunchy and crispy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.